All right, here's the final product. It took me about 2 minutes to set the whole thing up, to be honest with you. Now, I did hand tie it first, but then I used this a wrench because just to tighten it up. And here's connected to my gas, my propane gas. Now we're gonna cook 2 meals at the same time, but right now we're gonna start with this one first. We're gonna work our way down. So I did put my wheels on it. All right. And just to let you guys know, you could tighten it up here and you could take them off. So if you want to take them off, easy, they pop out easily. Now you can increase the size. There's no auto startup, so you don't have an auto startup at all. You have to get your own torch or your own matches to start this up. All right, so just to let you guys know, we're gonna boil some water right now and get it going and get this whole thing going. But this thing is great, compact. You could take camping. So let me show you the controllers. You got low, off, and high. That's pretty much it is. All right, off is fully turned off. All right, and we're gonna start it right now. First time turning it on right now. We're gonna start gas first, and then we'll start giving it some slowly. Right now we have it off. I completely turn it off here too. And in case you get, this is a regulator in case you want to get more gas into it too. So that's another option that you have. So this is the entire thing that we're going to set up, and we're going to start cooking today. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to go ahead and start turning on the torches. I'm going to remove my pot with water right now, and we're going to start with the propane tank first. Unlock it, open it up. It's a little windy right now, so I'm blocking some of the air out. We got it on. We're going to open the regulator. There it goes. I'm going to move this a little bit more further back here, away from the flames. It's gonna burn off some of the paint. Ooh, fire's gonna turn off. No, they're good. This is first time using this heater, this stove. So we're gonna move this around. This has balsamic vinegar. It has honey. And the carrots were cooked in water with salt. I got rid of the salt and water, but this thing's almost ready to cut down. We're gonna cut these into pieces right now in a bit too. And you know what? Just to make sure that this is well cooked with butter, and these two. Get rid of all the butter. I don't have that much butter. Might as well get rid of everything. Clean it up.